Hey, what's up guys? It's N31LE here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the windscreen on your 2023 BMW S1000RR. So surprisingly enough, you're only going to need one tool for this. It's a Torx T25, and if you don't have this, you might as well just go and get it from the store right now, because every bolt on this bike is a Torx T25. So here's mine. There we go. So Torx T25, like I said, if you don't have this, you need this for this. All the bolts on this bike, go and get it from the store ASAP. I know I'm missing a T27, don't laugh at me. So here we go. Torx T25. It's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know we know how to count. The top ones are super simple to remember because they have this plastic protector on them. So that's only there so you can protect the fairings from any type of damage that these bolts will do. So put these somewhere where you won't lose them. And now what you want to do is these rubber grommets are through the windshield. So you're going to want to carefully pull up on it to remove them from the bike. And then the last 2 rubber grommets are right here. So what you're going to want to do is carefully remove those. Try not to rip them. And that's it. You got your windscreen off. Now you notice that these 2 are still sticking out of the bike. All you got to do is just remove those because those are going into the new windscreen. So if you know anything about me in person, you know I like tinted windows. So, of course, the smoked windscreen is going on this bike. Gives us a new meaner look. You can rest those on there. Here's your rubber grommets that you took off earlier. Just go ahead and pop those through the holes. And now get your Torx screws. So if you remember, it's only 4. The ones with the rubber protector on there is the ones that you're going to want to put in the top. So the ones that don't have them are the ones that are going in the bottom. So if you remember, we had to pull out the rubber grommets from the holes. So now you're going to want to push those in. And because my windscreen's so dark, I can't see through it. So I'm going to have to figure my way out here. There you go. And the rubber grommets, they are on the outside, on the other side of the fairings on the tops. So you can start with the top or you can start with the bottom, doesn't really matter. Remember, get your rubber piece for the tops, pop that in. Now you may have to push down right here, especially if your windshield is brand new, because it comes from the factory or whatnot, kind of, I don't want to say bent, but like it doesn't really fit the face of the bike because it hasn't been on anything yet. So you may have to push down right here just to get it to cover the holes. There you have it, super simple windscreen install for the S1000RR 2023 model. Alright, so now that you got your windscreen installed, what you want to do is clean it up, get all those fingerprints off there, because of course, your bike's from 2023, you don't want nobody's handprints all over it, you know what I'm saying, except for, well, mine. But I don't even want mine on there, so let's go. Let's clean this up, clean this bad boy up, because a clean windscreen is a happy windscreen, and a happy bike, I don't know where I'm going with that. So yeah, clean this up, and there you have it. There's your windscreen install. If you like today's video, like and subscribe to this channel. That way, if you have any questions on any other things based on this 2023 BMW S1000RR, I can make some more how-to videos. I've got a lot more stuff to put onto this bike. Hashtag can't keep anything stock. You know what I'm saying? So this bike is going to be totally transformed. It's going to look totally different by the time we're done with it.